let them get you off your throne. Perfect just the way you are, you blessed beyond the channel wall. God took his time when he made you. One of a kind, you 100 proof.
Welcome back, my gorgeous ones. So today I'm gonna be trying to revive this old wig. This is the Harlem 125 Kima wig, and right now I just have it like in one simple braid. It's 2 combs in the front and 1 in the back with your standard adjustable straps, and it is a middle part. So yep, let's get started. As you can see, this wig is like completely stiff, no movement. I had this wig probably last year around November, December, I want to say. So let me just see if I could just try to finesse this and bring it back to life. Okay, so this is how it look all combed out before I actually get to working on it. I'm gonna be plugging in my blow dryer so that I can do like the chase method, just to get it a little bit, straightened a little. Now I do have my blow dryer on like a medium setting because we're not trying to burn the hair. All the way down to the tips of the hair, because it's really the ends that's where, it's stiff, no life to it. Be careful when doing this, because damn near I almost burnt my fingers. But yeah, though it's on a medium setting, it was kind of hot. If you feel the need to pass through the hair again, go right ahead, because it still wasn't to my liking. So this is why you see me do it a second time. So now you're going to see me run the hot comb through the whole hair itself, just to, get it a little more bone straight, and just to make sure the ends is how I want it to be. That's optional if you choose not to do that, but I have it on, I think the setting is number 5. So I'm just going through real quickly, but eventually I will turn it down to 1, which is, I believe that's the first setting. Now, usually I would do this chase method with just like, a rat tail comb and flat iron, but I didn't feel like using a flat iron. So, yeah. Do what works for you. Okay, so here I'm going in with my edge stick just to lay it flat a little bit more to give it more of a nice clean look. And I'm going to proceed to start the baby hair. I already had the baby hair pre-cut from when I previously wore it, but I decided not to do the whole spray down and, you know, because it's old. It's an old wig, so I don't feel like doing all of that. But I'm just going to add, you know, just a couple little 2 baby hairs in the front just to wake up the wig a little bit, if you get what I'm saying. So now I'm just going to create some baby hairs with my natural hair, you know, just in case that the breeze was to blow, it don't be looking all whacked out and crazy under there, considering that I'm not spraying the wig down and gluing it to my head. And meanwhile, we just dance a little. Wait, kill some time. And that's one thing I did remember about this wig, that it tends to have a lot of flyaways. You'll probably notice in the back. But for a wig that I had for so long, it's not as bad. That's when I realized that my damn thing wasn't even plugged in. More so when you're holding it, it powers off. So another waiting process. Now this part is optional, it's just something that I like to do, just to allow the wig to frame my face a little bit more, so you can skip that if that's not really your thing. If you do choose to, just be careful not to burn the wig. I would suggest trying to, I guess, manipulate it into the shape you want. Use something like a end of a rat tail comb and then just spray it to hold it in place, as opposed to taking a chance of burning the wig. But like I said, it's an old wig, so I really don't care. And lastly, I'm just adding in a little bit of powder that matches my complexion in the center of the part, just to, again, wake up the wig a little. So, yeah. So that's it for the most part. This is how it turned out. A wig that I had for like a year. And considering it's synthetic, I think it came out pretty good. Leave in the comments what you think. And let's just do a back check real quick. Has a little flow. She's alive again, so yeah. So to me, I feel there's way more movement compared to when I first put her back on. And like and subscribe, and that's it. Until next time, my lovelies.